Okay, I've got quite an exciting box full here from Outdoor Gear Essentials, which is a growing shop. It's great to see it going from strength to strength. The main star of the show is quite an underrated maker, I think, and his name is Sussex Outdoors. So we've got 3 products from him here. The first one, which I'm the most excited about, because I actually persuaded him to make this myself. I met him at a festival last year, Lavaux on the Farm 2023, and I said, do you know what would be an awesome product to make? Bigger down boots, because you can't find them anywhere. They normally come in like size 7. I'm a size 12. There's no way of getting into size 7. So he's come up with this product, really super light, fits in a tiny bag, and this is, I'm not going to use the word booties, I hate them. Down boots, look at them, and they fit my feet perfectly. Really chuffed with them. So they're in this sort of khaki colour, black on the bottom, very well made I think, and there's his logo at the back, made in the UK, and they're going to be fantastic for the cold weather. Little drawstring at the top there, it's all you need, keep your feet warm on camp. So this is the weight of them. Feels like you're carrying absolutely nothing, and I think it's essential to keep warm feet on camp. Just keep these dry. Use them only for the tent. Next in the parcel, I've actually been using this for quite a while. It comes out on every camp with me. It's absolutely brilliant. He calls it the Possibles pouch. So it's made of a wax canvas material. Again, it's got his logos on there. You've got a little heavyweight hanging clip there. Just a basic zip. And it works fantastic, and it's surprising how much it holds in there. And again, it weighs hardly anything. In the wax canvas, I think that is brilliant. The last thing in the parcel, I was quite excited when I saw it. It's a heavy duty sit mat. So it's like a waterproof material, again, wax canvas. How cool is that? So it's a nice sort of, is that tweed? Something like that. But this one does have a dual purpose, so you've got handles on the side, and it doubles as a log carrier like that. Yeah, really recommend his products. He's running a little cottage business, he's just making all this stuff himself, and he seems really skilled with the sewing machine. You can get all these on the Outdoor Gear Essentials website, which I'll put the link below for. This is in the UK, by the way. And he makes a number of other things. There's like a down bag. If you're rehydrating your camping meals, you can keep them inside the bag to keep them warmer for longer. And there's a number of other things. It's well worth checking out. And I definitely think you're going to be starting to take off now, because maybe you should pack this job in and make this stuff full time. I think it's fantastic. So, oh, by the way, thank you for doing that. Absolutely brilliant. Chuffed with them. Right, just a quick one there. So go and check them out. Guarantee you'll be chuffed if you buy one of these things. Right, catch you again next time.